Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and today I will show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So take a look, that's my wallpaper, and if you want to change it, just simply go for the settings. Right now you have to go for the wallpaper. Here is our lock screen, here is home screen. Right now we have to choose My Wallpapers, Gallery or Wallpaper Services. You have to decide. If you want to get your own wallpaper from your own picture or photo, we have to go for the gallery, but I'm going simply for My Wallpapers and I will change wallpaper, for example for this one. So click and then choose the lock screen. Here is the preview how it is going to look. Click to set on the lock screen again and take a look right now. Our lock screen wallpaper has changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.